Del, happy birthday! Sana, dakal pang birthday, miras kaya ka. Sana, lakas sakit na yan. Sana lagi kang masayakin. Kami kaya, may kaya gaganakan. Okay, kami mo. Happy birthday! Oh.
Good morning, Che! Gusta na ka? Happy birthday! Sana dakal ka pang nasa na birthday, Te! Bimingat ka lagi! Love you!
Hi, Che! Happy birthday! Mimingat ka palagi, Ken. Muli na kaya. Makanita sugal tana. Happy night, eh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hindi ako nakanta.
Kaputol, happy birthday! Sana ragu, sukat-sukat yan. Pangat di ka, tsaka ka, pakikuanan mong masikan yung lupo, masikan pang katawan mo. Kaya sana may misip, kaya may stress. Di kami okay, di pagkalingan ako. Arang di kong okay naman. Yan sana, potang kauli mo, abi-abi sana ng pasipay. Sana maging kayong birthday mo, masagana yung birthday mo. Yan yung banwa ngayon. May labas kasi, pero kaya agrit ka pag nakakalenga, anak. Yan masasabi sana ng kay tutukin, may kita ng birthday mo pa diba? Happy birthday, I love you!
Kung ako na nung biyasa ka.
Sige na!
Iya, doon yung...
Oy, Bila! Happy birthday! Banong metong nakakasabi, ngayon na naman yan, na naman. Kaya ka pamango ko, bana kang muli. Kung anong yung umarok, bulit mong mukuna ka, bana kang muli, yan.
Nilagnan kayo kanya.
Emo, gigisan ng diyan pera, Ken. Diyan ka muli, yan ka ngalakang pera, okay naman, binabasta mo. Ne?
Nilagnan kayo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Oh, magpagalakas ka, Ken.
Bye-bye.
Hindi ka nagsusupong nas man, ha?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you!
Ingat ka.
Yan. Go.
Mag-umpisa niya.
Oh, Dar, kamusta na ka? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Sana dakal pa yung birthday amiras kaya ka. Enjoy mo yung kaya kang ngaldo ng birthday, ne? Mingat ka lagi. Malambata nang mikikit. Kapila ka kaya muli kanyan? Amin mismo na yung kwaho. Oh, happy birthday na mo, Dar. Ne? Mingat, Ken. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tar!
Sana. Kaya dira na kay ni Mare.
Macho ka dyan.
Oo.
Inas.
Ay, oo. Puri ko makahuli kayo itong siya-diya tano naman na mga sikanta pa. Ay, ba't lumultang mga no? Oo, kumusta ka, Ken? Panalangin na ka na. Sana ko palagi kang masikan, Mari. Baka nito muli ka kaya sa Pilipinas. Strong as a bull.
Dar, happy birthday! Amis da na ka. Pota nga kakita kang lakad-lakad king dalan. Panigurado marakal makamis kaya ka. I hope you enjoy your birthday. Sana masikat ka pa para akayabe mo rin nga at saka apo mo. We look forward to your homecoming. Hopefully next year ka no. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Dar! See you soon! Mingat ka, Ken.
Hi, Dar! Happy 70th birthday! Wow, bonggang-bongga, 70 na ka. Pero, pa naman lupan 70. Wala mo kaya mo, 69, birthday bukas. Ne, bong. Happy birthday, Dar! I hope na maging masaya yaing birthday mo. Kareng greetings dareng lulugod kaya ka. At maging masaya ka at kumabiya ka pa hanggang buri mo. Yes. At mag-enjoy ka, Ken. God bless you. At sana atakman min blowout mo. Happy birthday!
Mother, hello! Kamusta po? Na-miss ko po kayo. I wish you a happy birthday. And I hope and pray that God will give you good health, happiness that you deserve, and more blessings in life. I will see you soon po. Isang bagay na hindi ko makakalimutan sa pamilya Hokson, yung aside sa pagiging hospitable nila at mabait sa akin, tuwing pumupunta ako doon, lagi silang nagluluto at sobrang sarap nilang magluto. Kahit anong putahe, wala akong maipipintas. Kaya ang swerte ko na tuwing pumupunta ako doon, niwi-welcome nila ako na parang family, hindi lang basta kaibigan. Kaya, Mother, hello! Na-miss ko po kayo. Sana masaya kayo sa araw ng birthday mo. Sana i-grant ka ni God ng good health, joy, lagi kang happy, at higit sa lahat, more blessings in life. Enjoy po kayo sa birthday nyo at sana nandun ako sa araw na yon. See you soon, Mother. Bye!
Happy birthday, Mother. We wish you all the best. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Mother. God bless you always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Apodel. Thank you so much for all your support. We're so blessed to have you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Del.
Happy birthday, Mother! Thank you so much sa masarap mong food. Sa huwag ka magsama magluto sa amin, ha?
Yes.
We love you. Huwag ka mga yung Pinas. Wala kang food. Thank you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Del. Wala na katongking.
Wala ka na.
Mamaya!
Wala kang katongin.
Happy birthday, Apodel!
Happy birthday, Nanay! Thank you for the food! Unboxing!
Happy birthday, Lola Del. Good health palagi. God bless you more po. Mama Chup. Love, Puson family. Have a good day po.
Hello everyone. I just want to wish Maring Del on her birthday today. She may have a very happy birthday, and just wishing her good health always and prolonged life. Congratulations, Maring Del. Happy birthday.
Hi everyone. I just want to say thank you for Madingdel for driving force and steering them in the right direction of Michael's family. And I wish her peace, love, and needed a relaxation. Kumaring Del, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Deli!
Wishing you for good health.
Wishing you for a happy 70th because you only get to be 70 once.
And I'm hoping that you have very great health and you have a very important and special happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Chair. Sana lagi kang masayakin at sana lagi kang kamayan na ni Malipaya at sana dapat ang birthday at atang kita. We love you and you are appreciated. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Apo. Thank you for being supportive in any way you could. I hope you grow stronger every day and continue to care. I hope good health approaches you. Once again, happy birthday, Apo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Apo. I love you. Take care. Happy birthday, Apo. Happy birthday, Apo. Happy birthday, Apo. I love you. Take care.
Happy birthday, Apo din! Ulit!
Ingat kayo palagi dyan. I love you.
Hello, Nanay. Kumusta ka, Ken? Purida ka mong batiyan na happy birthday kaya ka. Ala na akong halawang hinungad pati nga akong ginuno na akaya beda kay malambat, ikayo maduang tatay at sana di na kayo masikan na pamikatawan. Nanay, purida ka mo rin pasalamatan king ganang sakripisyo mo kaya kami king lugod mo na alang kasimparan ni Nanay. Misda na kasobra lalo ning kaya kang kaldereta. Nanay, ang yamag at ang kumpleto may selebrasyon king kaya kang kebaitan. Sana enjoy mo palagi mong tandanan na kaluguran da ka man. Dahil anak mo kaluguran da ka. Dahil apo mo kami Nanay kaluguran da ka man. Salamat kinagana-gana. We miss you. Bye-bye. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Mother. Balo ko ika-itang imana, the best din yan na ning babo. Kaya kami na ika-itang matyaga, masipag, lalo na king sakripisyo. Ika-itang ika-itang gawan mo para kaya kami ring anak mo. Kaya datangin nga do, kami namaning manukwi hanggat agyumima. Basta ingat ka mo Ken. Happy birthday, Mother. I love you.
God bless po.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, happy 70th. May God bless you abundantly and grant you good health. Thank you for being a loving and caring mother and grandmother to your apo and to your children.
You are the source of our strength. Kahit makalaw ka, Nanay, we always feel close to you because you never fail to check on us and making sure we're okay. Stay healthy and strong. Ingat ka lagi again. We love you so much. Again, happy birthday, 70th.
Happy 70th birthday, Apo Del. I wish more birthdays to come and good health. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Apo Del! Sana di na nakapaning keng babo, mas makabang be, para mas makabada kayo pang akayabe, kayo kadong tatay ko. Amimiss na rin kabayo. Ay, hali, estereng apo mo, Yvonne at saka Ivan. See you soon at miss dan ako. We love you. Happy birthday! Bye!
Happy birthday, Ma. Ingat po.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Sana lagi kang maskan, wish ko king hapong Ginoo. At kumabapan biya mo at mo kakalingwan na at suhamin mo kini aluguranda ka. Sana maging masaya ka kay birthday mo. I love you, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Nanay, happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, Apo Del. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka kay birthday mo. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Apo Del. I love you. Ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Apo Del.
Happy birthday, Apo Del. I hope you have a very, very, very good birthday. I love you.
Mother, happy 70th birthday. Wishing you good health always. Kasi wala na magluluto ng food pag nagkasakit ka. And hope you enjoy your special day. You're 7 years old now, plus 0 equals 70. And enjoy your day. Thank you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mother. Happy 70th. I hope God will give you more years to enjoy life. Enjoy your time with your family. I can't wait to send you back home. It's not because we wanted you to, but we wanted you to enjoy the rest of your lives with your apos and the other members of our family. And thank you for everything you do for us, especially, you know, the cooking, the laundry, the cleaning and all. We really appreciate you, even if we don't say it that much, but we do, of course. And for looking after this special boy.
Yeah, with a special attitude.
And I hope you will enjoy your celebration. And I hope you'll be more happier. I love you, and God bless you always, and have a good health. See ya!